Like
That's
it's snowing in the halls here.
That's not weird. Yeah, it looks like that everywhere. It's like we're trying to make this game more creepy.
He's gonna be right here, Scott.
Add some snow. Snow just freaking
I can hear him. Yeah, he's around here.
makes it dreadful for Canadians.
That's right.
As we're dealing with snow right now.
Snap!
Oh, he's over there.
He's around the corner.
What is this? What the fuck is that? Yeah, let's check it out.
Do you hear anything at all in here?
We're gonna go this way now. We're gonna go straight. Let's go straight.
Okay. That room was a bust.
Box is up here.
Yeah,
Water fountain.
I've not seen the big footprint.
Yeah, wasn't there footprints in here last time we came? Oh no, that wasn't in this one.
No, that was.
Did you guys already find the UFO area?
Yeah, there was one there.
Yeah, but
It's
don't
got a
wanna
green
take
thing
look
in
at
it, too.
anyway.
A lot of corridors down this way, Steve. Oh, where's this show?
It's like a car.
Train. The train's there.
They went to the train.
Yeah.
Have you guys been there, right?
Yep.
Okay, let's go this way.
So you guys are right behind us then. Oh, there's a green thing in here, so I don't think there's gonna be anything else.
I told you that. We were already there.
Yeah, I know, but I wanted to take a look at it.
Shit. You guys just standing there with his hand on his hip.
My flashlight went completely out.
Really?
On my screen, it's on.
Yeah, no, but it like
Oh.
it turned off
By
by
itself.
itself.
Oh. Maybe your guy just shook it and it came back on.
Oh, great.
I don't know, Steve. What are you thinking?
Straight.
Right?
No, straight. You dumbass. That's right.
Oh, straight.
That's how we got lost last time. I think. I think you said I said it right. You made it right.
I'm thinking there ain't no mountain high enough. Ain't no mountain low enough.
Alright, what's this up here, Scott?
To keep me from something.
Into you, baby.
Me and Scott, what's this? We found something.
If you sing, you won't get scared.
Were you guys in a locker room before?
Our cabinet room?
Maybe.
Did it have a bunch of cabin shit?
let's check it out,
We did
Steve.
go into 2 different rooms like that, so you never know. Could be
It
different.
is a military base.
Scott, is there showers?
Yeah,
Oh,
I think we
God.
circled around.
What?
Scott,
Yeah,
Scott, you think you're right here. No,
He's here?
I thought he was.
Do you think
Scott, you
right,
behind me?
Or should we?
Straight.
Don't
No,
go that
we
way.
have to
Scott,
go.
where
He's
are
in
you?
there.
Scott, where are you?
Yeah, go this
Scott,
way.
Right.
He's behind a
Go to the
bookshelf.
middle. Go in the
What?
middle. Go in the middle of the room. There you
Got
go.
it.
He was behind a bookshelf over there.
Alright, yeah, this place has got nothing.
Wait, here's a sign. What's this one?
Yeah, where'd you go?
I'm right
Ooh,
here.
I don't even know what that
Right
is.
behind me.
What's that sign say?
I'm in the middle.
Let's
Go
go
to the
that
middle
way.
of the room.
That
Yeah.
looks like a robot.
I'm in the middle of the room. Where are you?
Let's hope there's not giant mechs in there like
Scared me.
we get killed by a Titanfall
Alright,
mech.
follow me. Holy shit, he's right there. To your left.
Is he?
Woo!
Is he?
I don't even see nothing in this room at all. Oh shit, there's a green thing.
Let's go out this door.
Does the green things automatically mean there's not going to be a tape recorder?
Oh fuck,
Alright.
we're in the shit, he's right here!
Oh fuck! Oh fuck!
Run, just run straight.
I'm running, man.
I think we should just keep
You
going
see me,
straight
do ya?
through this room here over
Yeah, we're
here.
behind you. I'm on your ass, man. Where are we?
We're in another
Well, I
fucking
don't like
cabinet
this. I
room.
think I hear a tape. I do.
Oh, so they can be in the room with the green things.
Oh god.
One more.
God, he's gonna start killing us now.
Yeah, he is.
Yeah.
Luckily, he comes after me
Where do you wanna
first.
go?
I don't know. We could go
Scott,
left or we could
Scott,
go
where
over
is he?
there and go straight.
God, I'm scared
Fuck
shitless.
Go over there and go straight.
There's a lot of these fucking cabinet rooms, man.
Yeah. He's not in this room with us, so I think we're good right
Keep
now.
going straight. Run the fuck out of this one. Alright, we're in an open corridor now, Steve. Your
Yeah, I like
choice.
Go this
Your
way.
call. Yeah.
Right, we're gonna go this way.
Take a right. Okay.
I'm liking straight.
Fine here, Hostel.
Oh, what's over here?
Have you guys been in a drilling room?
Drilling room. What is that? 2 canisters? Were you guys in like a... What
It's
is
got
that?
robotic arms and shit.
No, it's 2 canisters. I don't know. It looked like there was babies inside of them.
No, smart. Scott is definitely here.
It might be the nursery room.
Oh, maybe?
Oh fuck! It's got a green thing in here, Steve. Make it
And
quick.
it's in here. It's in here. He's right behind us, motherfucker. It's
What,
in here,
is the
Scott.
tape recorder in there?
I think, I don't know, you guys are giving things, that's a giant, like, robotic, 2 robotic arms, and has, like, a thing.
Holy fuck!
Oh, he killed Scott, he killed Scott, he
No,
killed
no.
Scott.
I'm going though. I'm going though.
Oh, fuck, where are you? Where are you?
I'm right here.
Scott.
I'm right here. I'm right here.
Where?
Oh shit! You ran the other way.
Oh, fuck! Oh, no,
Stay
no,
where
no.
you are. Stay
Alright,
where
go
you
back.
are.
I'm running back
I'm
to
coming.
the room. I see you.
Die! Die! I give you permission to die. What
All
happened?
right. He's gone. He's gone. He's
We got
gone.
2 signs over here.
Let's investigate this room a
There's
little bit.
jail.
Have you guys been in the jail?
Crap, he's
Oh.
right behind us.
Shit. Were you guys in the jail?
Yeah, I thought you died.
Yeah, we were in the
Oh,
jail.
Scott, he's right to the left, he's right to the left. Keep walking
Okay.
this way.
All right.
Keep
We'll
walking.
walk this way. They must have been in here.
Yeah, you guys,
Walking
I
really
don't-
slow.
you guys have my
I don't
permission to
see it.
die if you want. I don't want to die first.
Ooh, this looks like mission control. No, that's the train.
Is
Yeah,
it?
we've been there in mission control, I think.
We've all been in the train. If it's the train.
Scott.
Whoa! I heard a great big whisper.
So I guess
Yeah,
we're
man.
Another fucking thing.
Scott, where are
What's
you?
this?
Wait, Scott, where are you?
That's the jail. You want to meet up with them?
Yeah.
Just keep
where-
going the
Yeah,
way you were
let's go
going.
to the jail.
All right, we'll meet up there. I don't know where to fucking be. We've been everywhere. Probably right where we started is where it is. I was like, shit, are you still behind me, Steve?
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't find nothing in the jail. It might be there, you never know. There you are. Hey, guys.
Hey, guys.
Oh crap!
Shit,
Don't go
a
that way!
skeleton.
Oh, don't go that way!
Oh, what way?
No, don't go
Okay.
back that way. I'm gonna die. Don't kill me, please. I'm innocent.
What's this up here?
This is the jail.
Alright, let's sweep it really good.
Do you guys hear anything?
No. Yeah, like I went in every freaking jail cell, but I didn't.
I'm going to the right. Oh, fuck me. He's in the jail cell. He's in the
Okay,
jail cell.
okay.
I don't know where. I don't know what.
Where's Hostel going? Hostel's like, I don't believe you.
I'm working with the skeleton guy.
That's hostile.
Alright, man. Skeleton, you got a bony ass, man.
Thanks.
But don't.
Just wait up, Adam.
I'm
Go down there.
taking a look.
Do you hear
Don't
anything?
leave
Or?
the jail cell room, boys.
There's a stub in there. We checked it.
Okay.
Yeah, we looked it all over.
Did you guys try to eat it or?
No. Oh fuck! They left the room. Those whores.
We're still here.
I can't get out of this stupid room now.
We see you guys. Look.
Okay.
He's gonna be out here. I'm not going first. Nope.
Hostel's like, I'll do it.
He is out there. My controller's short.
Yeah, mine did too.
He's to the right. He's
Yeah.
definitely to the right.
No. I think we want to. We're down here anyways.
Is this a sub room
Oh
though?
crap, he's to the right!
I knew it. Is this or something? What is this?
What
Where
is
are
this? Did we find
is
one in
where
here?
Steve and I was.
Oh,
We?
you
Yeah, we
fa-
couldn't
we
find
got-
anything in here.
We got the one in here.
Oh,
Did ya?
okay.
We
Okay.
did.
So there's a green thing over there.
Yeah. I'm
You guys
running
go
right
this
by.
way?
Wait, where are you
Shoot,
guys?
he's behind us. He is
Holy
behind us.
shit!
We didn't go this way.
Oh, he's over there.
I'm by the green. Ah, fuck! I was going the other way from you guys.
He's
Are
over
you
by.
guys going down this tunnel?
He's behind us. Don't go that way.
No, we didn't know.
No, we went to the right. Yeah. Here we go.
Maybe we should just go. Ooh!
Wait, what's this barrel? Have you guys checked out the barrel?
No.
That's the sub room, isn't it?
Yeah, it did.
But we didn't check by the barrel.
I hear tape. I hear tape recorder.
I don't
Me
hear it.
too. Holy fuck, he's right there.
Oh.
Oh, dude. Holy shit.
But
He's gonna
there's,
kill me.
Is he still there?
there's something in here
He's
though.
still there.
Fuck him.
He's still there, but there is a tape recorder in there.
Alright. I ran out. Is
I
he still
didn't.
there?
I'm going over to the
Yeah.
sub.
Do it,
Taking-
Hostel, do it.
It's dangerous to go alone.
Oh, he's behind us. He's behind us. He's behind us. Let me in. Jerks.
You guys don't.
Where's
aren't-
Hostel?
You guys didn't come with me, but I think it's around here. No, it's
I
not.
go down the left lane. You go down the right lane.
Crap.
There. There it is.
Oh, he's right there.
Yeah!
Suck it, monster. He almost.
My
He had me.
flashlight just busted.
Mine did too.
Oh, what the fuck?
Oh, I don't like this. Wait, my hands
Turned
just.
into the monster.
Ooh.
What the
Ooh.
hell is this?
I turned into a monster.
Me too.
Me too.
You guys are
Ooh.
welcome.
What's up with that? Why did we turn into like a monster?
Hey, I don't know. That's what happened.
If you can beat him, all you figure out why.
Captain Crunch.
Oh, come on. My guy screamed twice.
Steve's just playing it cool. He's like, I don't
See what
find no
we did?
tape. I don't
There we
need to
go.
scream. We covered a lot of ground that way. I like that. Down in the woods, it's easy to get all discombobulated.
You know what, Hostel? I think it's a good idea for you to stick with me. You didn't die, and we actually beat it.
The funny thing is, I would have died if we were there for like one more second. He was looking right at me, and I was looking right at him. I was like,
me and Scott completely got.
Look at them. They're just, you know, Adam and Hostel, they're just staying very slow. Steve and I, we were running.
They backtracked.
We're fucking moving.
look how close we were together. You guys could follow behind
Yeah.
us there.
Each other.
Oh, we're gonna find each other? Oh, we did find each other. Oh, that's where we did find each
Yeah.
other. And we left. Oh, then me. Watch how far away from
Just
you guys I
very
get,
slowly.
though. Watch this.
Holy crap. Well, that was pretty good. That's a good way to end it right there.